Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll walk through 3 steps to select a product on the Eurovent Certification website. Let's go through them step by step. 1. Using the search bar on the homepage. On the homepage, you'll find the search engine. Here you can look up a product by selecting its family, type, or brand, or simply by entering the model name or certification number. In this example, we're looking for NPG 0800A2. You can paste the model name directly into the search bar and click Search, or you can apply filters. Select the family, chillers, and heat pumps. Then the type, polyvalent unit, air-cooled, 2+2 pipes. And finally, the brand, A Air Mech. The product will then appear in the Certified Product directory. You can also use advanced search criteria, if available, to further refine your results. 2. Via the Certifications menu, Certification Programs. Click on the Certifications tab, then select Certification Programs. Here you'll find a list of all certified programs. You can filter by mark or family. To find our example, select Eurovent as the mark, Heat Pumps for Buildings as the family. Now, click on the LCP-HP certification program. This will open the program's description page. On the right-hand side, click on See Certified Products. You'll be redirected to the Certified Product directory, already filtered for this program. From here, use the available filters to display your specific product. 3. Via the Certifications menu, Direct Access. Once again, go to the Certifications tab. On the right-hand side, you'll find direct access to the Certified Product directory. Unlike the previous method, this option does not pre-select the product family. You'll need to manually choose the correct product family before applying any other filters. And that's it. Now you know the 3 different ways to find certified products on the Eurovent Certification website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips.